Mastering the art of argumentation and evidence in formal writing. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to focus on a very essential skill for effective formal writing: developing argumentation and evidence. It's an indispensable tool that can help you clearly articulate your thoughts, ideas, and assertions in your writing. So, let's dive in. In the context of formal writing, an argument isn't a disagreement or a fight. Rather, it's a carefully constructed, well-thought-out line of reasoning. It's your way of presenting a viewpoint, making your audience see things from your perspective. In short, it's the backbone of persuasive, academic, and professional writing. An argument typically comprises two elements: a claim and evidence to back it up. The claim is the point you're trying to prove or the stance you're taking. The evidence is the set of facts, data, or examples you use to support your claim. Remember, a solid argument is like a sturdy house. It's only as strong as the materials, or evidence, you use to build it. To build a strong argument, you must first identify your claim. What is it you want your reader to believe or understand? Once you have this, the next step is gathering and organizing your evidence. Remember, your evidence needs to be reliable, relevant, and persuasive. It might include data, facts, quotes, examples, or logical reasoning. Structuring your argument is also crucial. Typically, you'll introduce your claim, present your evidence, and then explain how the evidence supports your claim. This explanation is often referred to as the warrant. It's the logical connection between your claim and evidence, and it plays a vital role in making your argument convincing. Some key techniques can help make your argument more compelling. These include: 1. Use a variety of evidence types. Mix facts, statistics, quotes, examples, and logical reasoning to provide a well-rounded argument. 2. Consider counter-arguments. Address potential counter-arguments to your claim. This can make your argument more robust and shows you've thought deeply about the topic. 3. Stay clear and focused. Keep your argument concise and to the point. Don't let your reader get lost in excessive detail. Getting feedback on your argumentation can help you refine your skills. Don't be afraid to ask others to review your writing, looking specifically at your argument structure and use of evidence. Also, self-evaluation is a powerful tool. After writing, ask yourself, is my claim clear? Is my evidence convincing? Does my warrant make sense? If the answer to any of these is no, it's time to revise. That's it for today's lesson on developing argumentation and evidence in formal writing. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this skill. So, don't hesitate to start incorporating these techniques into your writing right away. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in our next English language learning video. Happy writing, everyone!